Hey crafty friends, this video is a quick showcase of my haul of mainly Vicky Papaioannou's line called Create Happiness. Check it out before you buy. Hey crafty friends, I want to show you my haul I got from A Cherry on Top. It's a pretty awesome place to order things. They have good prices as well as free shipping if you order, I believe, over $49. And a lot of times you get an extra 20% off items that haven't been released yet, so like pre-ordering. So that's pretty cool. I bought most of my stuff I've got is from Vicky Papaioannou. I love watching her videos on YouTube, art journaling, card making, but I really love her art journaling. So most of this is her new collection. This is stone paper mixed media journal. Paper is really thick. Supposedly you can't tear it. If you put watercoloring or spray ink on it, it won't tear or bleed see-through on the next page. So this is really nice. Also got some of her ephemera. I'm gonna journal with it. It's pretty. Then I got her rub-ons. Most of her rub-ons. These are like borders. This is some writing in white. Can't barely see it, but it's there. And these are some more rub-ons. Pretty. Then I bought most of her stamp sets. Thought these would be awesome for art journaling, mixed media. Love those. Then I bought all her stencils. These are nice. This one has the coffee, the writing paper background. This one's like a travel background with the compasses. It's postage and writing background. These are like some edges, some more border edges on this one. This one's a travel theme. Nice. And this one's a music notes. I didn't have nothing at all music notes. That one. These are just Stamperia, which is not her collection. Her collection is also done by Stamperia, but it's called Create Happiness. But these are just Stamperia. So it's travel. And this one's mailing and postage. And then they gave me these for free, which I thought was pretty cool. So I could use these too. So that's it. I'll show y'all some videos when I end up making stuff. Bye. Thanks. If you love Vicky's stuff as much as I do, and you're interested in purchasing some of her products, see my link below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.